Lead me by the hand and make me face the rising sun. Comfort me through all the pain that life may bring. There's no other hope that I can lean upon. Lead me, Lord, lead me all my life. Walk by me across the lonely road of every day. Take my arms and let your hand show me the way. Show the way to live inside your love. Lead me, Lord, all my life. You are my life. You're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my life. I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life. Lead me, Lord.
Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher Lover.
Okay, please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
So, once again, good morning, everyone, and welcome to our mathematics class this morning. But before we proceed to our lecture cover, I would like to have 10 rules that you're going to follow. Understood, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's try. 1. Answer properly and don't make any noise. 2.
Yes, sir.
Again, 2.
Yes, sir.
3.
We are ready, sir.
4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Okay, very good. So this time, we are going to discuss a very important lesson that this time you could learn a lot from this topic that we are going to tackle this morning. So this is all about visualizing percent and its relationship to fractions, ratios, and decimal numbers using models. Okay. When we are going to, well, how can we visualize this percent, class? Now, we have here our regions. What does the shaded parts mean? We have there 100%, 100 regions, and the shaded part is 9. The next one is, so this figure, class, is composed of 100 small squares. There are 9 squares shaded blue, and as a fraction, the blue here region is, we could write this as 9/100. It is very much important for us, class, that we really know how to convert or to change fractions to decimals to percent and ratios also. So as a ratio, the blue region here is 9, and of course, if you're going to write this in a ratio, 9 is to 100, because 9 is compared to 100 squares. This ratio, 9/100, means 9 per 100, because another name for per 100 is percent. So the symbol for percent is, this is the symbol of percent. 9/100 or 9 is to 100, or 9 over 100 is also written as 9%. So we read this as 9% in these regions. So that's the percent. The percent symbol is this and takes place of the denominator. So 100 is the denominator and 9 is the numerator in a fraction. So that is why 9 over 100 is equivalent to 9%. Likewise, also the symbol percent replaces the term 100 in a ratio. So 9 is to 100. That is 9%. So 9 over 100 is 0.09 as a decimal. So 9% is also 0.09. Why? Because 0 belongs to the first digit number. Ones, this is ones, tens, and hundreds. That is why 9 over 100 in a decimal, or 9%, is equivalent to 0.09. What do you mean by percent? Any volunteer to read? Michelle.
Percent is a special ratio that compares a certain number to 100. It is a ratio whose meaning is like a fraction with a denominator of 100.
Okay, that is what we call percent. Percent means 100. Therefore, we can express percent as fraction, a ratio, fraction, decimal number, and vice versa. How about one whole? One whole is always 100%. And one whole can be a set of, or a figure. It is also a set of any number of objects that is equivalent to 100%. So all in all is, the total is 100% always. Because we are referring to one group. But before that, I request everyone to please stand for our activity. So, what you're going to do is to dance. Yes, we have to dance. Then, in dancing, after, if I'm going to stop the music, what you're going to do is to group yourselves. Okay? Okay? The time that you're going to dance. Yes. Yes. Okay, you're going to, the boat is sinking, you're going to group yourselves into 3. 3. Faster. Okay, 3 groups. You have no partner, so you can sit down. Next. Another. Okay. Okay, this time. Group yourselves into 5. How about? Oh, you're victim. Thank you. Okay, this one. Okay, group yourselves into 9. Kasi, sir. 9. Okay, 9. You're a winner. By the way, the question is, 9. How many boys do we have?
1.
Okay, 1 boy and how many girls?
8.
So if you're going to convert that into fraction,
1 times 8.
yes, very good.
1 over 9.
1 over 9. Michelle, very good. 1 over 9. Okay. Sit down, sit down. Thank you very much. Okay, so let's proceed. Another. We are going to see another one. 1/4 change to percent. Then 1/2, we're going to change that into percent also, and 3/4 change to percent in singing. Okay, we're going to sing that. We will see. So this one. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 25, 25. 1/4 change to percent, 1/4 change to percent, 25%, 25%. Okay, let's try again. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 25, 25. 1/4 change to percent, 1/4 change to percent, 25%, 25%. So it means to say that 1/4, if you are going to change that into a decimal places, that is 25 or 0.25. And if you're going to change that into a percent, that is 25%. Okay? Another 50. 50, 1/2. Okay. 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. 50%, 50%. 1/2 change to percent, 1/2 change to percent, 50%, 50%. Okay. So if you're going to change 1/2, this is 1/2, right? If you're going to change this into decimal, that is 0.50. Very good. If you're going to change that into a fraction,
50 over 100.
very good, Michelle. 50 over 100. If you're going to change that into percent, that is 50%. So the last one is 3/4. Everybody. 3/4, 3/4, 3/4, 3/4, 75, 75. 3/4 change to percent, 3/4 change to percent, 75%, 75%. Okay, so 3/4, if you're going to change this into decimal, what is the answer?
0.75.
Okay, 0.75. How about if you're going to change that into a fraction? 75 over 100. And if you're going to change that into percent, that is 75%. Very good. Let's give a barangay clap. So next, we have here 1 whole is always 100 because 100% is equivalent to 100 over 100 is equal to 1. So 1 whole can be a set or a figure, a set of any number or of objects that is equivalent to 100%. Because we are referring to 1 whole group. Okay, so another we have here. So what is this? Puppies. So a set of 5 puppies is equivalent to 100%. If we are going to divide a set of puppies into 5, we're going to divide it 1. Each puppy will be having 20% because the whole group there is 100%. The answer, 100%, if you're going to divide it into 5, the answer is 20%. So this time, you are going to express now the answer in percent notation. will give the answer. 34 out of 100. Ma'am Gemma.
34% are playing soccer.
Okay, is it correct, class?
Yes.
Very good. Let's give her a round of applause. Next one. What will be the answer? Who will volunteer to give the answer?
Sir, 92%.
Okay, very good. 92? So, magaling. Okay, that's the answer. 92%. Number 3. Okay, what is your answer?
76% are females.
Yes. Is it correct, class?
Yes.
Okay, what will you do? Then number 4. 95 out of Ma'am Jacob.
Number 4, 95 out of 100 pupils like mathematics. Blank of the pupils like mathematics.
So what is your answer?
95% of the pupils like mathematics.
Okay, so 95% out of 100 pupils like mathematics. So the percent notation here is 95%. Another! You're going to write the percent notation for each. Number 1, 67 is to 100. So what is the percent notation there? 67%. That's right. Your answer is correct. Okay, the answer is 67%. Another real answer.
43%, sir.
Okay, 43%. 0.43 is equivalent to 43%. Very good. Next, number 3.
89%.
Okay, so 89%. Is it correct, class?
Yes, sir.
Why? Why is it correct? 89%. Number 4.
0.04 is equivalent to 4%.
Okay, 4% is the answer. So 0.04, if we're going to change that into a percent, the answer is 4%. Very good. Now, number 5.
55%.
Okay, 55%. 55 is to 100. This is the ratio, right? This is the ratio. If you're going to change that into percent notation, the answer is 55%. Everybody, let's give a warm of applause. Very intelligent. We have here regions with the shaded parts. So we're going to place this here. I. Next is O. First. Okay. O. Then next one is N. And the last we have here second to the last I and E. So can you read it?
Johnny.
Okay, Juni. Who is Juni?
You, sir.
Yes, very good. So this time we are going to answer it and find how many fractions we have. The first group, you have letter D and I. First group. Then the second group is O and N. They're here. And the third is I and E. So you're going to identify the color, the shaded part, then the number of shaded, the decimal, the fraction, and percent. Group 3 is ready. So it's time for you to start.
Hey, good morning, everyone. This is the output of Group 3.
So what letter is that?
Our letters given by the teacher are letters I and E with colors purple and red. Okay, for color purple, the number shaded is 32. And the whole region is 100. To get the decimal of this, 32 divided by over 100 is equals to 0.32. For fraction, we have 32 over 100, and for percent, we have 32%.
Yes.
For letter E, we have color red. Number shaded is 38. For decimal, we wrote here 0.38, and for fraction, we have 38 over 100, and for percent, we have 38%.
Okay, so very good. So what are you going to do? Is to clap your hands together in group 3. Your group 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have 100%.
Yes.
You're full in mathematics. Next group. Group 2. So what letters?
In group 2, we have letter O and letter N. So, letter O is orange. Orange is the shaded part is 38 boxes. So, in decimal point, it is 0.38. In fraction, 38 over 100, and it is equal to 38%. The next one is color green. The shaded part of the color green is 44 boxes. So 44, when it is converted into decimal point, it is 0.44, and in fraction, 44 over 100, and it is equal to 44%, sir.
Okay. Let's give a barangay clap. Yay! You have also 100%. Congratulations. Then now, the group 1. Continue.
So letter D and letter I, we have 100 division. And for letter D, the shaded part is 32. And when it is converted to decimal, it will be 0.32, since 32 over 100 is equal to 0.32. The fraction is 32 over 100, and the percent is 32%. For letter I, the same, the number of region is 100. The shaded part is 38. When it is converted to decimal, it will become 0.38, since 38, the fraction, 38 over 100 is equals 0.38, and the percent is 38%.
Okay. Thank you very much. Another 100% for the group 1. Okay, so is it correct, class?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Everybody, let's give her one applause. So, we ended with our session very lively because of your participation. Thank you very much. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye and thank you, teacher lover.